Lowell Jr. asked to be ancestors to take over shared Major Rick Travis and Otto Pearson split his hand after Lowell allegedly
Barbie King, say hello to this new plane. Visit the newly opened Barbie King on the lower ground floor of SM Media Mall, Building B. Kuya Manny. So without much further ado, Kuya Manny, ready ka na? Okay? Ngayon, binubuksan ang kanyang baong-baong CD para sa kanyang performance ngayong hapon na ito. Diba? So mga kaibigan, lalo na po doon sa mga hindi nakarinig kanina, ngayon po ay tatawagan ko siya muli. Kanina, Jerry Bay. Ayun, Jerry Bay na kanyang inawin, 4 na kanta yun. Ngayon naman, tatlong Elvis naman. Anong year yan? 60s yan, Sir Egay?
60s of course.
60s, okay. Pero, kaibigan, talakpakan natin, Sir David, Elvis Presley, ng Bicol.
Okay, nag-uusap po sa akin ng isang official ng Agent Pinoy dahil sa, ano pa nga, celebration pa ngayon ng Mother's Day. Pinapakanta ko ng isang song for a mother. Meron daw kanta rito, song for the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of our Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, number 2. Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of God, on the celebration of Mother's Day. My next song is, according to God, you never walk alone. He is always beside you, behind you. So, always think of Him, and He will take care of us. Come on.
ikaw dito, ikaw na mag-guide na may score. Anong plano mo, ha? Diba? Okay na kayo, engineer. Ayan, ganyan. Diba? Anong plano mo? Paano mo sila paksarin sa stage?
Nandito na lahat para sa programa natin ng Pagkatusan. Hinihingi ko si Engineer Tabugan to make final decision on this. We'd like to first apologize on the discrepancy of our announcement and invitation. Ikalawa, yung parang for those who are invited, parang kami mismo mag-apologize in one sense na there are policies of the SM, especially sa Mega Mall, na parang hindi namin nasunod. So, gusto kong yung public ito para kasama sa pag-aalaga natin ang enerhiya ng services sa seniors. And sana naman ang mga seniors would look at this as our learning, lessons learned for, taking that breath of our enthusiasm to run a program. Minsan may mga policies kami na hindi namin nasusunod. And we'd like to follow sana this afternoon. So, okay, I like to, we have one senior and one young youth who is here for the Santa Cruz, two youth, and we have middle youth who is in her beautiful gown. No, but personally, parang in behalf of Mystica, I would like to ask apology for the sponsor of Mystica kung pwede bang for an hour while the Santa Cruzan is being on, pwede ko bang request ang sponsor ni Mystica? So, pwede bang completely clean lang ang Santa Cruzan? 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 Walang sponsor. Walang sponsor. Parang hindi na walang sponsor. Parang hindi na walang sponsor. So because of that, okay ba kayo Miss Mystica na with that, we can round for 1 hour na wala mo ng sponsor. Na with that, we can round for 1 hour na wala mo ng sponsor. Pwede ba yun in public, Miss Mystica? We will move at Dano. Okay lang, parang because we'll begin with the program. Parang because we'll begin with the program. Parang because we'll begin with the program. Please in me for the Santa Cruzan. Please in me for the Santa Cruzan. Please in me for the Santa Cruzan. So, just for a clip for an hour, pwede ba yun? Pwede ni-explain sa ignorance namin on handling programs with sponsors, parang hindi namin na natutukan yung area na yan. And we don't like to na may isang tao dito sa atin na masasabi sa major discrepancy namin kapag gawa nito yung sistema nito. So, do you mind, Ma'am Mystica? You are known in the whole country. Do you mind to do that? Just for 1 hour lang. Okay. pumayag siya the manager or Miss Tika to have, we have a Santa Cruz, Green Santa Cruz, Green Santa Cruz, Green Santa Cruz. Just no sponsors para para walang dynamics tong programa na to. Pwede? Okay?
Ito daw sa atin, kung guwapo ka, isang guwapo sa mga.